Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify TLS and certificate pinning in iOS using OWASP test tools. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the necessary tools installed on your machine. Download the OWASP Zap tool from the official OWASP website. Install the tool following the on-screen instructions. Open the OWASP Zap application. Next, launch your iOS app on a physical device or simulator. Configure the device or simulator to use an HTTP proxy. Open your device's Wi-Fi settings. Locate the network you are connected to. Tap on the eye icon next to the network name. Scroll down to find the HTTP proxy settings. Select Manual for the proxy configuration. Enter your computer's IP address in the server field. Specify the port number that OWASP Zap is listening on. The default is usually 8080. Save the changes and return to your iOS app. Now, back in OWASP Zap, click on the Start a New Session button. Once the session starts, confirm that traffic is being captured. Use your app normally, and interact with its features. OWASP Zap will log the HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Next, navigate to the Sites tab in OWASP Zap. Expand the entries to find your app's specific site. Select one of the requests to view its details. In the right panel, look for the Request section. Confirm that the request is being made over HTTPS. Now, check the Response section to ensure a valid TLS certificate is presented. Click on the Attack menu at the top. Select Active Scan to perform a security analysis on your app. This will check for various vulnerabilities, including certificate issues. As the scan progresses, monitor the output in the Alerts tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.